Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has battery and the phone has Bluetooth enabled. Once done, install the companion app and sign into your account so the app can discover the watch. Next, grant required permissions, location, Bluetooth, and notifications, because they let the phone and watch communicate and deliver alerts. After granting permissions, open the app and tap Start Pairing. This moves you immediately into the device discovery process, so you can pair without delay. You should now follow the app's pairing prompts carefully. When a code appears on both screens, confirm the match to prevent accidental connections. If the watch shows a QR code, scan it with the phone camera. If it shows numbers, type them into the app. Once paired, let the app sync health, contacts, and calendar by enabling background refresh and notification access so notifications route reliably. Also check app-specific settings for watch faces and app notifications so your most used things appear instantly. Finish by updating the watch firmware and customizing watch faces, complications, and app shortcuts so the device fits how you use it. You should test calls, messages, and a brief activity to verify sensors and notifications sync correctly. Make adjustments to notification priorities if alerts feel noisy. Once everything looks good, set automatic updates and battery optimization preferences. If something goes wrong, restart the watch and phone first. If problems persist, unpair and repair to clear stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.